Let us talk about this stock. So this stock performed very well today and has given almost 8 to 9% return in the given time frame. If you look at the chart, you will see that the stock opened at 24 USD, where the high made by this stock is of around 27.32. So there is a big difference between the high and the opening point. Even if you look at the low point is of around 24.02 USD. Now if you talk about the 52-week high made by this stock is of 27.32, and the low of this stock in the 52-week is 11.04. So there is a very big difference between the 2 points. If you look at the chart of last 1 month, you will see that the stock performed so good in the last 1 month that it has given a return of almost 89%. But in the last 6 months, stock performance, if you see very carefully, you will see that after 29 Sep, the stock has given a return of almost 1 to 7%. But in last 1 year, the stock has given only 30% return. This is due to the downtrend of this stock, because this stock was downtrend for many times, and after the big rally, the stock performance changes to so good that it has given a return of almost 1 to 9%. If you look at the chart for last 5 years, you will see that this stock is down for almost 81% from the high made by this stock in 2021. But if you consider the all-time chart, then you will see two or three very good things, that this stock is made a high of almost 446% after the IPO price. But because of the sudden fall, the stock all-time return is only of 0.66. So there is a major gap seen between the high made by this stock and between the current price. So let us see how it perform in the upcoming days. Now, if you talk about the financials of this stock, then you can say that the financials of this stock is quite good. But if you see the net income of this stock, you will see that net income increases year on year basis, but net income is still negative. The net income is negative 5.73 CR. Now, if you talk about the revenue increases for almost 10% in this quarter. I am talking about October 2024 quarter. But if you talk about the July quarter, the net income is negative and down for almost 1.09%, where the revenue increases for almost 10%, that is of 17.92. In April, the stock revenue is increases by 13.15% year on year basis, but the net income is down for almost 3%, and net income is always negative if you consider these quarterly result. In Jan, the net income is minus 6.24. In April, it is minus 6.37. In July, it is minus 7.22, and in October, it is minus 5.73. Now let us talk about the operating income. So operating income in October 2024 is of minus 6.02, where if you talk about the net change in cash, then you will see that net change in cash is also in negative in October quarterly result. Even in Jan, April, and July, the net change in cash is negative. So this is not a good point if you consider this stock performance.